grind your sample in the shatter box to something like fine-grained sandstone to
So this
seal
first
stone.
step, we're just going to get rid of all the really light stuff, the suspended load, all the clay minerals. Super easy. This is the least stressful part of the entire process. You just put some water in there and just dump off all that clay.
You just do this until the water becomes clear. Rinse your sand.
Remember to use a sink prepare for sediments like this one. Once you get rid of all the minerals that float and the very faint fine-grained stuff, you're ready to start to separate lighter minerals from the
and all your heavier
minerals.
Will sink down to the crevice down here. So, and then all your lights are floating on top. You got a lot more light, so you gotta be aggressive with them. Just let them flow for a few seconds. Just let the water flow over it. And then you can also do this is what I like to do is let it just kind of roll it. And you're letting it flow, but then you're also watching for any kind of heavies, like if you could see any magnetite or pyrite or sulfides in there, but I don't. And you see how the color of the sample is starting to get darker?
Yep.
I think you do have a lot of, well, there's a lot of mafics in there probably, and some magnetite. So all the light colors is first to go because it's the lightest. And you see all that black, that's all probably magnetite. Or if there's fresh one blend, or perks. So I just do that repeatedly. This is actually a little bit less than I normally do, but it's good for starting. And all that black, that's what you want to save. So if a bunch of black starts going over the edge, then kind of do this. Just kind of a crude estimate. You can see there's still a lot of white in there. White is bad. So agitate, get the heavies down, and then use the stream of water to push the material out of the crack, the crevice down here. All of it. All the black material. All of it. And then you can bring the stream over here to the side and just kind of roll. And you see the white down here? You just want to roll off the white. And now that's all magnetite, some sulfides. That's all. So another trick is to get a little bit of water in here and do a roll, and you get all the lights to go around the pan, and then you can just work the lights. Like all these. Let's try to get those in.
But at this point, it's okay to lose a little bit of the black, but try not to lose very much.
If you get
when
on
you
the
get
edge,
your final separate, you use a
on the
filter
side of the
paper
funnel.
and alcohol to get your concentrate into the filter paper. Then you dry it using a heat lamp, and you're ready to the next steps using a hand magnet or a France or heavy liquids.